Friends, let's explore the fascinating world of seeds and their journey to become plants. You know, it's not just about the seed meeting the mud, it's about the whole process that takes place when these two elements come together. First off, let's talk about the seed. It's a tiny little package, packed with all the essentials a plant needs to grow. Inside, there's a tiny embryo, surrounded by a protective layer called the seed coat. The seed also contains nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats to fuel the plant's growth. Now, let's move on to the mud. The mud, or soil, provides the perfect environment for the seed to germinate. It's rich in nutrients, water, and oxygen, which are all crucial for the seed to sprout and grow. When the seed meets the mud, a magical process begins. The seed coat softens, and the embryo inside starts to grow. The first thing to sprout is the root, which digs into the soil to anchor the plant. Then, the stem emerges, followed by the leaves. And just like that, a tiny seed has transformed into a beautiful plant. So, the next time you see a seed, remember the incredible journey it's about to embark on when it meets the mud. Thanks for joining me in this exploration of the natural world. Until next time, stay curious.